Have you ever received the ring that doesn't fit you? I guess yes. So sometimes we have complaints from our customers that, guys, you shipped the wrong ring size. And today I want to show you how we control and check the ring sizes in our manufacturing. Everything starts from importing all the orders from our marketplaces, from websites, from the partners to our advanced database, where we register and keep all the necessary info about shipping, about ring sizes and all additional notes from our customers. The next step, we need to print all the orders and then start manufacturing them. Manufacturing starts from making the wax models of the future jewelry. Wax specialist selects the necessary molds from the database of our models. And the next step, we need to inject in these molds the special wax that creates the future jewelry, but in the wax.
Just crash and burn. Crash and burn. Oh wow, oh wow, let it crash and burn. This one for the person who feels alone.
This is the first step when we create the wax model and we check, adjust and control the ring size according to the customer request. For example, for this ring, customer asked to make 6 with a quarter US ring size. After the casting, we check the quality, and this is the second step where we check the ring size. Then the ring goes to the workshop where the jeweler check the ring size and adjust it a little bit if necessary, using this ring sizes adjuster. Then we do a little bit of jewelry magic. After the jeweler finished the ring, it goes to the quality control and once again the checking the ring size. And the final step is checking the quality and ring size before the packing. And we use plastic ring sizer to avoid to scratch the perfect surface. And then it goes to the customer. Now you see how we check the ring sizes. When we create a wax model, after we cast the ring, before and after it goes to the jeweler, and especially during the packaging process. So now you see, it's almost impossible to ship you the wrong ring size. And if you order it the 6 US ring size, it's impossible for us to ship the 7 US ring size. Because in this case, 6 times we have to fail, which is quite impossible. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like it. Leave a comment. I personally answer all the comments. And for those who watched till this moment, I want to give you the 15% discount for all our rings. So check the link and promo code in the description of this video. Bye. See you.